Hello and welcome to yet another Equity for Keeps video. You may have heard that Zoom Video Communications has released its earnings outcomes. They did so on the 2nd of June 2020 after the market closed. So what you're looking at right now is the chart of Zoom, the chart of its price. Simple moving average for 20, 50 and 200 days. But before we comment on this chart, let's just see what's going on in the markets. We have the summary page of Zoom, and we can see it closed at $208 and 0.08, but before at the pre-market it's trading at 210.52, up 1.17 from the close. So, and here on Seeking Alpha we have a snapshot of what the earnings were. So it has an earning per share of $0.2, which beat by $0.1, and revenue was 328.17 million, up 169.02% year on year, and he beat it by 124.64 million US dollars. So we're going to post the links we have covered here for you to look up yourself. And we have this piece here written on MarketWatch by Theresa Poletti, and it begins by saying it is an opinion. As you can see, the Zoom's astounding quarter shows it expects to be a force even after workers go back to the office. The CFO calls huge forecast revision conservative, showing belief that Zoom will still be a video conferencing force after the pandemic. So Zoom reported a massive first quarter earnings beat with stunning sales growth of 169% on Tuesday. The numbers that somewhat justifies the company's market capitalization tripling so far this year. The real story though was the company's forecast, which nearly doubled annual earnings expectations and almost tripled revenue projection from guidance provided just 3 months ago. Aleksandr Zukin, an analyst with RBC Capital Markets, said on a conference call that he believed Zoom had one of the best all-time quarters in enterprise software history, if not the greatest. But with that opportunity also comes the question, which is, where does Zoom go from here? He said. Zoom has become synonymous with video conferencing during the COVID-19 pandemic, with the name of its company becoming accepted vernacular for the act of speaking with others on video itself. Zukin's question, though, has been key for Zoom, which has deep-pocketed rivals like Cisco, Microsoft, Alphabet, and potential for free users to go away after the crisis and paying customers to potentially check out rival services. Eric Yuan, founder and chief executive of Zoom, countered that Zoom now knows the total addressable market for the company is bigger than it previously thought. He said that there are a lot of opportunities to pursue, but for now, it is top priority to keep its service up and running and double down on security and privacy. After Zoom bombs that interrupted school lectures and work calls marred its otherwise spectacular popularity. Okay, so we'll post this for you to read up yourself. And we're here on the market on the summary page on Charles Schwab. You have a put call ratio for 1 day. That was yesterday. It was 0.8, and then you have put call ratio for 30 days of 0.9. So what does that tell us? What are those ratios? What do they tell us? Okay, so we have that 44.44% of all open interests on the option side of things are puts, and as it concerns that of 30-day, let's find out what figure is. So it is 47.4%. 47.4% are call outputs on the for the 30-day. Then we have a market capitalization, very large cap of $58.7 billion, enterprise value of $57.6 billion, and short interest of 3.7%. So we have these headlines as well, and he says here: U.S. Research Roundup, BlackRock, Contour Brands, Zoom Video Communications. So and so Wall Street securities analysts revised their ratings and price targets on several U.S. listed companies, including BlackRock, Contour Brands, and Zoom Video Conferencing. So let's see what they have for Zoom Video Conferencing. DA Davidson raises to buy from neutral. Okay, so I think that is the only one there for Zoom. Okay, you have other ones here. RBC raises to outperform from sector perform. RBC raises target price to $250 to $250 from $125. DA Davidson raises price target to $240 from $150. DA Davidson raises to buy from neutral. JP Morgan raises target price to $220 from $150. Piper Sandler raises PT to 211 from 144. PT is a price target. So we'll quickly come down here to the chart, and it is from the 28th of May. It has increased by what is that price? 163 to 123 to 207. So 163 will be 27 plus 7, which is about $34. It has ended up to $34 since that time, which is let's do that math and see. Okay, 34 divided by 160. 34 divided by 163 is roughly 21%. So that was 21% from 28th of March is last 28th of May was that a Sunday? 28th of May was a Sunday. Okay, so in less than a week has added 20% in value. So it's definitely has currently outperforming its 20-day simple moving average and the 50-day and as well as the 200-day. So It has a short interest of 3.7% and all that stuff. And yes, people are currently pricing in the fact that Zoom is going to stick around. It's not going to be video conferencing of the pandemic period. It's going to build. They believe it's going to build on the reputation and the popularity has earned. That is why they have probably priced in this sort of movement we're seeing here. So we'll continue to observe what's going on with Zoom as the market opens today, and see how traders will react in the market. So keep watching and stick around, and ensure you subscribe to our channel and click the notification button so that you'll be notified once we come up with any updates on Zoom and indeed any other company, any other stock. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.